we got this metal plate right here, which the motor can go on it, right?
Yep.
What is it going to help with the motor?
It mounts it lower. We're gonna mount the engine a little bit lower.
Where was the engine?
It was up a lot higher.
How high?
It was too high.
Like right here?
It was probably up sitting about here. So we're gonna mount the engine lower, put new shocks on it. Yeah,
What are you guys welding?
shock tabs.
Ben, are you gonna weld?
I mean, I already know how to MIG weld.
Yeah.
Okay, should we weld something while we're right there? Where's your helmet? Do you have a helmet?
No. Oh, what is it?
Let's go! Let's go!
Think about welding.
I actually love welding.
Why do you love it?
I don't know.
Let's go!
I can't get it on.
Let's go! Let's go!
Excited for the motor?
Yeah.
Let's go!
Think you're ready for that? Okay. Alright, so start on this side. Weld these on. You ready?
Am I welding or you?
Let's
You can
go!
weld. You want to weld?
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
What kind of welding is this?
This is MIG welding. What can I do?
Yeah.
I can only do MIG welding.
Yeah.
I can actually only do MIG welding. It's pretty crazy.
What other kind of welding would you like to do?
I would like to do TIG welding. It's like this little metal stick, this thin little metal stick, and then like kind of like a MIG welder, but I don't think quite a MIG welder.
Yeah.